Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a timeline on Google Slides. Creating a timeline on Google Slides is a structured and visually appealing way to show information in order, which makes it great for business, education, or sharing a story. To add a timeline in Google Slides, first open Google Slides and then click on Insert in the top menu. Now hover your cursor over diagram and then select timeline from the options. So click on timeline. On the right panel, you will see different options and templates for the timeline. First, select the number of timeline dates and color. We have selected 5 dates and blue color. Now it's time to select template for this timeline. We are going to select this first one. So click on it. Now you can edit the text and dates according to your requirements. So that's how you can add a timeline in Google Slides. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.